If you want to enable your microphone in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on microphone access in Chrome so websites can ask for permission when they need to use your mic. This is super useful for video calls, voice typing, online meetings, recording tools, and any website that needs audio input. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and controls. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now you're inside Chrome's main settings page. On the left side, or sometimes in the main menu depending on your version, click Privacy and Security. This section controls your browsing permissions, cookies, security options, and website access settings. Next, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you manage what websites can and cannot access, including your camera, microphone, location, notifications, and more. After that, scroll through the list until you find microphone and click it. This is the exact place where you can control microphone permissions in Chrome. Now, you'll see the microphone permission options. To make sure websites can request microphone access properly, select sites can ask to use your microphone. When this option is turned on, Chrome will allow websites to ask for permission whenever they need microphone access instead of blocking it automatically. If a site needs your microphone later, Chrome will show a permission prompt and you can choose Allow when you trust the website. If you already blocked microphone access on a specific site before, you may also need to check your site-specific permissions in this same menu and remove any blocks manually. And that's it. You've now enabled microphone access in Google Chrome. You can now use voice chat, meeting apps, and websites that need audio input much more easily. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.